class, this recording is on possessive adjectives and indefinite articles. Okay, indefinite articles are a, one, and some. Okay, and which one you use depends on whether or not the noun you're talking about is masculine, feminine, or plural. If it's masculine, you're going to use the word un, for a or one. So, un frère, a brother, or one brother. If your noun is feminine, you're going to use une, une, une. A sister, or one sister, is une sœur. If you have a word that's plural, you're going to use des, des. Some sisters, des sœurs. So again, those are pronounced un, une, des. And then if you want to say that you don't have any of something, doesn't matter whether it's masculine, feminine, or plural, the word that you'll use for any is de, de. So look at the examples below. I have a half-brother. J'ai un demi-frère. Since brother, half-brother is masculine, the word for a or one is un, un. Okay, if you were going to say I have a niece, instead of two nieces, you would say j'ai une nièce. I have one niece. If you were going to say I have some nieces, j'ai des, des, j'ai des nièces. And then if you were going to say I don't have any sisters, je n'ai pas de sœurs. Okay, you use the word de, which is pronounced de, for any. Okay, now let's look at possessive adjectives, and in this unit we're going to learn two, my and your. And again, it depends on whether the noun you're talking about is masculine, feminine, or plural. So for example, for my, if you're going to say my father, father's masculine, you use mon. Mon père, my father. If you're saying your, you'll use ton. For example, your uncle, ton oncle. If it's feminine for my, you'll use ma. For your, ta. Okay, so for example, if you're going to say your mother down here, you'd say ta mère. If you were going to say your aunt, ta tante. Okay, so feminine is going to be ta. My mother, ma mère. Your aunt, ta tante. And then if it's plural, if you say my, plural form of my is mes, plural form of your is tes. So my parents, mes parents. Your parents, tes parents. Okay, and that is how you do indefinite articles and possessive adjectives in French.